Hello, I'm Teddy Jones, Yokogawa Technical Support for the ISA100 Field Wireless product line. My tip for today is to always be sure to tape your antenna connections. By taping your antenna connections, it's to keep out moisture, dust, and other debris that can cause corrosion up in the connector. Additionally, this will help optimize your communication signal. There are two different types of tape referenced in the instruction manual to accomplish this. The first being a self-bonding butyl rubber tape, which will go around here to help create that seal to keep out the moisture and dust. Whereas the second tape will be a vinyl self-bonding tape that you'll wrap around the butyl rubber to help protect the butyl rubber from UV rays from the sun or other damaging elements in the environment. And as with anything else, the tape may not last forever, so it's always good to do a periodic inspection of it to make sure it doesn't need to be replaced, or replace it if needed. And that's my tip for today. Thank you very much.